Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming tutorial videos for home Mac and Wiki CNC machines using Autodesk Fusion. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you an issue that you're going to run into when you're trying to configure a model, okay? I'm going to show you how to solve that. So let's get to it. Alright, so I want to configure this cabinet base, alright? If you don't have a configuration, um, I think that's because you have the free version. All right, I have a pay version, so I get this feature, which is really helpful when it comes to, especially when trying to program different parts that have different sizes, and you have your model parametric. Okay, mine's parametric, so I can change the size if I want. I can change the material thickness as well. All right, so let me configure this model. So I'm gonna go to configure. So I'm gonna go to the FX icon here to add parameters. Okay, now you see the parameters window. So I'm gonna let's say I just want to change the width. The depth stays the same, the height, the thickness of the material, everything else stays the same. So I'm gonna have to check on this box right next to base width. But you see, I'm not able to click on it. Okay, so this is the issue that you're gonna run into when trying to configure your design. All right, you see I cannot check any of these boxes. Okay, so what's the workaround? So let me show you right now. So let me click OK. Let me close this. I'm gonna go to my profile picture, preferences, general, theme. I'm gonna go back to the Fusion Classic. Click on apply. Okay. Just wait a few seconds. Okay. I'm back to light mode. All right. So configure again. Add parameters. Okay. Now I'm able to check every single box. See that? Click OK. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna open the configuration table. Everything's there. Okay. If I go back to dark mode, let me see if I can be able to uncheck all the boxes. So let me go back to dark blue. Apply. Click OK. Let's go back to configuration table. Add parameters. Yep. I can now uncheck the boxes. All right. So you have to work in light mode to add parameters to your configuration table. Okay, guys. That's all I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you all. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.